my loves, and welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Obi Jacinta Ugochi. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create engaging and analytic videos on your mobile devices, be it Android, iOS, iPhone, and tablet. And also, I'm going to share with you my #1 best free video editing app on mobile devices. So right now, let's dive right into it. But before that, I'm going to share with you my top pick right now when it comes to best video editing app, which is capcut. Capcut is an amazing app and also a beginners friendly. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. Okay.
So now this is what you will see when you first open up CapCut. Down here is the existing project you have been working on, and on this top here now is a new project. So now we are going to click on new project. This will take us to our photo gallery where we can access our videos and photos. You can also click on this to access your album. Now you could go ahead and select the video clip you want. Now click on add button to add them into the frame. So now, depending on the social media you want to be posting your detailed project on, you can go ahead now and click on ratio, which is also called size. Just go ahead and select the project size you want. You can choose the first one if you are editing for TikTok, which is 9.16. You can choose the second one if you're editing for Instagram video, and you can choose the last one, which is 16.9 if you're editing for YouTube videos. So choose the aspect ratio you want, and if it doesn't fit in, what you will do is to click on the video and use your two hands to adjust it so that it can fit in. So now I'm filming for my YouTube video. What I will do now is to select the YouTube standard ratio, which is 16.9. After selecting my video size, what I will do next is to click on check good. So now if you want to reduce the footage to start at a particular length, click on the video. You will see a thick white line at each end of the video. Press on it and drag it to whatever spot you want your video to start or end. Now, another way to do this is to scroll to the spot where you want your video to begin and go ahead and click on split. This is going to cut the video in half. Now go ahead and click on the one you want to delete. Now click on the delete option. After that, you can go further to delete CapCut watermark. You can just scroll back and forth to see your entire video. So now, just in case you mistakenly deleted a clip of video or did any other action, what you do is to click on the undo icon to revise the clip, and you can click on the plus icon to add more footage into your project. And if you want to see all the clips you are working with on your timeline, what you will do is to pitch on your timeline just like this to zoom in and out like I'm doing right now. And if you want to rearrange your clips, you just have to long press on the particular clips like this. While your hand is still on it, you can easily drag it through the timeline just like this and let it go in on whatever position you want it to be. And if you want to add a text into your video, what you will do is to click on the text button down below here and click on the add text. You can type in anything you want. Right now, I'm going to type in my name. Once you are done with that, click on font. You are going to see many of them to choose from. So just go ahead and click on the one that suits you. So after that, just go ahead and click on style so that you can change the color or maybe to add a background to the text. After that, you can go ahead and click on spacing, like if you want to add space into the letters. When you are done with that, go ahead and add animation. That is how you want your text to come into the video and out of the video. Even if you want your text to be shaking or even dancing or swinging in the background, you can still do it by using any of the animation. So just play around with it. When you are done with customizing all that, you can go ahead and click on check mark. You can also drag it around by using your finger to hold the text on the screen, and you can also use your finger to zoom it in and out to whatever size you want. You can also decide to change the animation you are working with by clicking on the animation right here, and you can also still go further to re-edit what you have written on the text box. So after that, if you want to duplicate the text, click on the double box down here at the bottom or on the left bottom corner of the text box. Now to delete the text, click on the X on the left top corner of the text box. To edit the text, click on the pencil at the top right hand side. Now to resize the text, click on the right bottom corner of the text box. To increase the duration of the text, click on the right thick line and drag it to whatever position you want the duration to end. And there are also already made or customized text templates that you can choose to work with. Just go ahead and play with it. So now let's move to another thing, which is to add auto caption to your videos. To access this, you need to on your data. Now click on text icon and click on auto caption. Now go ahead and click on where you want your auto caption to be generated from. Is it going to be from all, or from the audio, or from the video? Choose any one you want. After that, choose a template that you would like to use. You can use the pro version, but you will need to pay for it. Okay, so let me look for the free one. So once you have selected the one you want, now go ahead and click on start and allow it to load, and it automatically generates your caption. You can click on any of these to make correction, like adjusting the size. You can click on batch edit to correct errors and the spelling. You can change the templates if you want. So after that, you can now move to adding audio to your video. So now what you have to do is to click on audio and then click on sound. But note that CapCut and TikTok has the same owner. A lot of songs here are meant for TikTok and not for other social media platforms. So now if you use the sounds here for your YouTube video, you are going to have a copyright strike. So it is better for you to download from YouTube library or from Epidemic Sound so that you won't have copyright strike on your videos. If you are posting to TikTok, you can click one of these songs and click on the download button. Then click on plus icon and it acts as an audio file down below. On this place now, you can also use your finger to move it around. You can as well trim it to the spot that you want. And this is all the features that you can use to customize it. You can as well reduce the volume so that it won't be too loud. You can also add a voiceover to your videos by clicking on audio and then click on voiceover so that you can record your voice. You can further customize it by adding audio effect, and you can also reduce or increase the volume. Now let's move to adding stickers. So on this toolbar, find and click on sticker icon, and in that sticker icon there are several stickers to actually choose from to input into your videos. There is image, there is subscribe button, there is arrow and other stuff. So now depending on what you want, just go ahead and select the one you want. And also you can increase or decrease the size with your fingers. And you can also move it around the screen to wherever you want it to be. You can also add animation to your sticker. So after that, we are moving forward to add overlay. Overlay is when we add an image or a video on top of an already existing video. Now click on add overlay and it will take you to your gallery where you can choose any video or photo of your choice. And it will automatically appear on top of your video or project. You can as well use your finger to reduce or increase the size. You can also make it too little if you are doing a reaction video. And also you can use your finger to move it around to wherever you want. And if you want it to be like a YouTube video, you can position it to fit the entire screen. You can add as many overlays to your video as you want. You can as well do all the edits you did on the original footage also on your overlay. That is, you can remove the background, increase or decrease the sound, and as well trim the size. Once you are done with that, now we are moving over to effect. And there are different kinds of effects you can use in your videos. There are video effect, body effect that you can apply to your videos. Most time you will see this effect on YouTube videos and also on TikTok videos. This effect makes your video to look more professional, and there are many types of effects you can choose from. There are blur effect, and there is shaking background effect, and the rest of them. Just play around with it to explore more and see the one that suits you. Now we are going to head over to filter. Now scroll on the tools bar, find and click on filter button. You are going to see different kinds of filter that CapCut had made available for everyone to use in their editing skills. So now when you click on any of the free ones, it's going to apply directly to your videos. It will add more colors to your videos. You can as well adjust the intensity of the filter by using the long line down below here. Just like the other features, you can as well move this to whatever place you want it to be. You can reduce the length. You can as well click on the adjust button where you can control the brightness, the contrast and the saturation. Then after that, you are moving forward to adding transition to your video. Now to make this transition, you will notice that in between these two clips there is this white box with a black line in it. If you click on it, you will see different patterns which your video can actually transit. You can go ahead and click on any one that you like. Right now we are done editing our videos. You can just go ahead and save the video to your gallery, okay? Just save the video to your phone. So now make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment on all my videos. That is to tell the algorithm that you find this video or this channel interesting. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye.